What's up, guys? This is me, K-Dog. Today I might change my channel name to K-Dog. For some reason I changed it to, Lego Short Films. I might change it again because I was gonna do an Xbox thing and something, but I changed my mind. So I might change my channel today. It's still gonna be the same channel. Guys, let's see if we can get 5 likes on this video. I know it's crazy, but let's see if we can get 5 likes. If we do, that'll be amazing. Today's goal is 5 likes. Let's see if we can get there. My last video where I did an airship tour got 4 likes. If you count 2 likes actually. If you count me, I liked my own video. If you count me, it actually got 3 likes. Okay, finally. Today we're going to become a sheriff in this game. Yes, I wanted to become a sheriff in this game. My cousin told me about this game. Shout out to cousin. Let's see if the roll is full. Oh, look what we are. We got the badge on. Look at me. Looking so fancy and fancy. Look at me, I'm looking so fancy over here. Hey sir, it's illegal to be naked. Oh, today. If I do naked as well. Never mind. Let's see if we can catch some wanted guys over here. Track outlaw. Alright, we got a marker. Now. Come on here, horse. Jose. Hey, Jose, where you at? Oh, whoa, she's down. Calm down, Jose. Hey, Jose. Hey, calm down. No, I'm gonna be riding you, so. Why can I not turn? Okay. I'm used to pressing the keyboard with, the arrows because that's usually what I use. I don't use WASD, but now for turning I am using ASWAD. Okay, where's this guy? Hey, come here! I'm gonna arrest you because you're worth more alive, right? Okay, not too slow, homie. Sorry, horsey, you're too slow. Sometimes you gotta do things alone. Sometimes you have to do stuff alone. Just like Batman said in Arkham Knight, so don't get upset. Hey, where are you, horse? Villain? Outlaw? Yeah, I think I might need to call my horse again. Uncle, and now call. Oh, I heard you alright. Okay, it looks like I can't do any stuff alone. I'm gonna need your help. Hey, what? Hello? What's happened to your horse there? Woohoo! Giddy up, come on. Giddy up. Yeah. Man, let's go. I noticed this when I was playing this game. You can go on water and your horse can't get hurt. Ah! Damn it, Jose! Where's this outlaw that we're supposedly? My marker says... Hold up. My marker says he's over there. Maybe he's up on a canyon? Yeah, later canyons. He's up this canyon. Is that him? Might be him. Got my gun out just in case. That might be him, guys. I think we found him. Only if I could climb a canyon, mountain thing that good. I'd get up there and punch that guy in his mouth. He would bleed. Come on! Come on, get over there. The walk is so weird, like the cowboy walk they have in this thing. I know training is being robbed. I don't, but I'm gonna act like I do. Alright, let's see. Yeah! Oh, what is that? Let's explore that place later. Oh, how are we gonna get to this outlaw? Well, I guess we're not catching any no more outlaws today. I guess just gotta outlaws. This is where outlaws live. Damn. It's like a whole village. So. Sure. That's what I'm gonna shoot you. Do I have loot? Do I have any good loot? I think I need to be an outlaw. Sell that. But sell my loot and horses. How much money? Yeah, I'm not gonna buy it. I don't know. I bought it by accident. I was playing this game. Outlaw's Perch. I ain't seen no outlaws over here. Damn, this place is very exciting. I didn't expect this place to be this exciting. I mean, I want to do something interesting today. I guess we found an outlaw place. Where outlaws apparently are. Where outlaws hide, eh? Let's see, yeah. Ooh, there's a secret underground. I love secrets, and I love underground. Huh. No. Ooh, there's a secret cave. There's so much secret stuff in this outlaw bridge. Ooh. Little Canyon's mine. Ooh, these are their mines? Damn, they got hecka stairs. Holy, oh my god. I didn't know that could happen in this game. But we could just come down and live a nice life. Stop dying. I didn't know there was fall down. Let's be logical. Okay, I might have to reset because I kinda wanna get out of here. Okay, we couldn't find an outlaw today. But at least we found an outlaw's perch. That was very exciting. We can find some more interesting stuff. Hey, I'm gonna get the sheriff's job first. There you go. Oh, 17 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0 seconds before you can become a sheriff. Now we share it. Hey. Hey. Now let's see if we got any big guns coming on the sheriff. Oh, this guy ain't much. This guy ain't worth my time. That guy ain't worth much. Ooh. Alive. Alright, who's this guy? I think that red skeleton on the map means there's a bad guy somewhere. I think my other sheriff buddies got him. Holy schnickle! Holy snicks! I didn't expect them to be here. I had a voice crack, but holy! Hey, put your hands up, sir! Wait, can I talk in the game? I don't think I could. Got my gun. Okay. Okay, go in here. Where'd that criminal go? Hey, sir! Sir! I know you're there! Put your hands up! Where'd you go? Sir, where are you? Hey, sir! You're not going anywhere, boy! Come here, I am going to arrest you. Come here. Sir. Oh, under. Oh, I'm gonna duel you, alright? Oh, I'll duel you. I'm gonna duel you. Hey. Hey, sir. 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 Not allowed to. Huh? Duel you. Huh? Except for me. Yeah. Oh, shit. Wait, found a criminal. What is that? Found him. Sir, come on. Come out with your hands out. So, I'm trying to bring peace to this place, but everybody keeps killing me. Is there no peace? I guess it's the Wild West. There wouldn't be. You know, it's the Wild West. It's gotta be rough. Not that rough. Alright. 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. I don't know why I became a sheriff. This video wasn't too exciting. Well, that's our criminal, alright. Maybe I'll do a part 2 to this series because it's just fun. Fun. F-U-N. Fun. Hey! No! I think I got him. With handcuffs. Did I? Or did that guy kill him? Anyway, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Holy jeez, there's criminals everywhere. Sir, you. Hey, sir. Alright, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. What is going on here? I'm trying to wrap this video up, woman. Why is it my handcuffs doing anything? Hey, sir. Okay. This has to be handled the hard way. The good old-fashioned plan. Yes. Sir, put your hands up now. Put your hands up, sir. Hey, ma'am. She ain't putting her hands up. That's why I gotta kill her. Alright. Let's go to a safe place so no more robbers or intruders come, you know. Alright. Now, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I'll be seeing you guys in part 2. Maybe I'll do it like after a couple of minutes before uploading this. I'll see you guys tomorrow or today. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.